Hello, my OGH friends. So we stopped at this wonderful place on the border of South Carolina and North Carolina on my road trip up to New York. And many people know about this place. It's called South of the Border. And it's an icon from the past. It's like time stood still here. But this place has so much to offer. It has a campground, a hotel, pools, a restaurant. And if you're traveling on I-95, stop at South of the Border. Even if you guys come in to take a look, there's so many things here. Mexican memorabilia, beautiful dishware, refrigerated pins. A blast from the past. There we go, South of the Border. That's what you'll see on 95 when you come up on the place. At nighttime, it's lit up like a Christmas tree. It's beautiful. And here's some happy employees. Hi. You go to my channel on YouTube, Guys Trains. And I'll have it out there. Because I collect trains. And I film the real ones, like the Norfolk Southern. Look how nice this store is. All right, guys, let's take a look. Let's take a little walk out here. Here's the restaurant and the ice cream parlor. Go to Guys Trains on YouTube, Guys Trains, and you'll see it. Bye-bye. All right, let's show you a little bit of the outside. It's early in the morning, we just had breakfast. And there's a bear attacking my car. Oh my God. Get away, bear, shoot. Here we go. There's the sombrero. And it's a rainy, foggy day. It's about 71 degrees, 72 degrees. And you can see the size of this place and all the amenities. And it's a spin-off of a Mexican, I guess, culture, South of the Border. I guess that was a great theme. Look at the gorilla. There's the hotel or motel. And here we have another sombrero. All right, this is the border of South and North Carolina. It's called South of the Border. Stop in, guys, patronize this old-time American town and this beautiful truck stop that was a tremendous draw back in the 60s and in the 50s. And I hope people start patronizing it again and bringing it back. Okay. Take care. I'll see you on the next shoot, guys. I know it don't have nothing to do with trains, but I think it would be fun. I thought it would be a little bit of fun showing you a piece of American history here. Bye-bye.